Hello everyone, welcome to our new session of the Python. So in this session I will explain you how we can perform basic mathematical operation on Python terminal. So whenever we are working with the Python, it's always required to learn some mathematical operation which is easily executed in Python. It is not at all possible in other programming language by this simple method. So please be available from start to end of this tutorial, and if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for latest updates. So here we go with first Python program. So just go to start menu and write Python. If application is installed in your system, you are able to see the Python command terminal. Once you will click on this, you are able to see Python 3.5. So whatever version you have installed, you are able to see that. So here you can see triple message where you want to execute your command. Don't need to write for the basic operation, you don't need to write the complete programming structure for that. In other programming language, you should have to write the content over there. Just like I've already explained in my previous session, if you want to print any message that is available on your screen, you can do it by easy method, just writing print and your message. So this is our second Python session. Double quote on that, round bracket, then the semicolon, and you're able to see the content is printed here. If you want to perform any mathematical operation just like addition to add two number, so you don't need to declare at all. Just write here 23 plus 4, you're able to see the addition here. If you want to subtract any content, that is also very much easy. Just write down here 43 minus 10, you're able to see the content. Next, just like division of your operation, so let's see 22 divide by 11, you're able to see 2.0 in the fraction, in factorial or float point. Next, perform the multiplication. If I want to multiply 2 into 2, so I will get 4 answer. If you want to perform modus operation, which is showing you the remainder in your answer, that is also possible. 23 modus operandi 2, able to see remainder 1. So that is all you can perform in mathematical operation. If you want to do the complex operation, let's see how it looks. 23 plus 5 divide by 2, you can see 14. 23 plus 5 is 28. When you will divide that, it will become, so it is possible to do mathematical operation on complex numbers as well. So as you can see, we are performing multiple operations at once. So by this way we can do that our mathematical operation. Let's see one more complex operation here. 3 plus 3 again one bracket here, 3 plus 3 into 4 divide by 2, you can see 12. 3 plus 3 6 into 4 24 divide by 2 is 12. So by this way we can perform our complex mathematical operation here as well. So you can see here it's very much easy as compared to other programming language. It's not possible in Java and C++. We have to write the number of lines of code so that we will get this type of operation, but in Python it's very much easy. So this is all about how we can perform mathematical operation in Python. In next session I will explain you about variables and their types and how we can use that in Python programming language. Hope you understand it. If you have any queries or comment, please comment in the comment section so that I will check and revert with the resolution. And don't forget to like and subscribe the channel for the latest update. Thank you.